Ay, big tower. Yeah, the big tower. The big tower of Blackpool, guys. Mega love shout out. I'm late. The tram. Where's the tram? Big short tram. Short tram. Mega love shout out. That is fish and chips, papas. Papas, fish and chips siya. Ay, pinakataon ng Blackpool, guys. Blackpool, mega love shout out. Ayan, ayun may uso pa yung daanan ng tram dito, guys. So, yan ang daanan ng tram. Mega love shout out. Mega love shout out. That is Porsche Hotel. It's nice that one as well. Porsche Hotel daw. Porsche Hotel. Ayun yung pinunta namin. Nakapunta kami to sa loob ng town. Ayan. Mega love shout out, guys. So, tahimik na ang mundo ng Blackpool kasi 8:30 na siya dito. So, sarado na yung mga shop. They have a Primary Inn. Arcedar, daling kulok. Primary Inn, babes. Yeah, look. Primary Inn. We love Primary Inn. What do you like?
Yeah, I booked this because it had a pool.
The Primary Inn? Oh, the Grand?
Yeah.
Yeah, it says Primary Inn. You book, yeah? And did you change it?
No, I booked the Morbid Castle.
Huh?
Morbid Castle.
Where's that one?
Further on out.
Oh.
Cheers.
Ayan na. Pasok na kayo sa